Now, one thing that I want to cover, which is absolutely critical and will drive you and every website developer crazy, is if you don't pay attention to what I'm going to tell you now. When you put a link right like this that's going to go to a website in your posting, by default what it does is it will replace the existing posting that you have. And the reason why is this: if I select that link and I go to here and then I go to the target, it says the target is not set. What that essentially means is that what's going to happen is that when I open that window, the window or the website that I have, which is going to be our website or my website in this case, is going to be replaced by whatever that link is. So let me give you an example why we should not do things this way. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's not set. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to go visit the site. And now let's say a user goes to the site and they click on the link. And they open it up and they go, wow, this is really neat information. I can scroll up and down, I can find all kinds of stuff. And then they say, you know, I want to go back to the website that I was at. Now, if they go up here, the only way they can get back to your website is they have to hit the back button. If they hit the close button, what's going to happen is it's going to completely punch them out of the site. So let me give you an example of the two different ways. If I go back, it's going to take me to my website. If I go back to where I was and I just close or X out of the window, I am out, completely out of the website. And the people, now you've got them there and now you've lost them completely. This is something we don't want to have happen. So how do we fix that? We go into here, we open up the browser window, go back to editing our website. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to log in to the website. And go down here and put in the password, log in. Now what I'm going to do is go back to posts, all posts, and I'm going to go to the home buying one. But this time I'm going to select the link like this. I'm going to go up here and I am going to go to the target. In other words, where is this window? What's the target? In other words, think about it like a target, like you're shooting a bow and arrow at a target. Where is this going to go? In this particular case, I drop this menu item down, and now I have some additional selections. I could say in a pop-up window that's going to go right up on top of the window. You see this in a lot of the video tutorials that I do in some of the other classes that I do. This is going to create a brand new window, and that's the one that we want. In other words, we want an additional window to open, so if the user closes the window, because they don't want to be there any longer, what's going to happen is that they're going to be right back to our website. Let me show you the difference. Now I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click OK. Most critical now, I have to go up and update, because if you don't update, what's going to happen is you're going to try it over and over and over again. It's going to do the same thing. So I want to click Update. And then I'm going to go up. I'm going to visit the site. And when I click this, now watch, you'll notice another window opens up here. So I'll go here. I still have my website open, but now I have a new window. So the user can go down here, watch the videos, watch whatever they want. When they get all done with it and they X out of here, they're right back to my website. So this is critical. You have to do this. You have to make sure that it works at least like this, or else you'll be taking people to, it's like taking them to a place, dropping them off at a house and leaving with the car, and they have no way to ever be able to get back to your office. So you really, really want to do this. And there's a lot more types of different windows, but this is very, very important that you do this. So in fact, just make sure when you create any website link in any kind of a website that you think about, you know, when the user closes that window, are they going to absolutely get completely punched out of your site, or do you just want them to go back to your site where they originally started? I always want my users to go back to my website, and that's the way you should plan yours.